Guys, what's up and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make full adder. At first we will take one breadboard. Over there we will take IC7486 OR gate, IC7408 AND gate and IC7432 OR gate. Now we will take one 4-bit LED light for the output with 1K register. Over there one ground, and similarly L1, L2 and L3 and L4 over there for the 4 light for the 4 output. Now we are going to take 4 switches which will act as the input for the gates. Over there VCC and ground and 1K register is there. Now these are basic wires for using as jumper. And now a 9-volt battery for the power source. Over there one holder is there for both VCC and ground. We will also take some jumper wires with male to male and male to female holders. Now at first we will going to connect all the VCCs and ground together using the basic wires because it's are small in length. Let's connect the ground, means pin number 7 of first IC to the pin number 7 of the second IC, because these pins are for the ground generally for the IC74 series. It's creating problem, don't worry, it will connect. Yeah, it's connected. It's connected now. Yeah, okay. Now again one more jumper wire. We are connecting with 14 number pin to the 14 number pin of second IC for the common VCC, because 14 number pin is for the VCC1. Now again another jumper wire to the second VCC to the third VCC IC. Now this third ground using this wire. Now it's connected, and we are connecting this wire to the outside pin of the breadboard for series of grounds, and another wire over there for the VCC. This wire for the VCC1. Yeah, common VCCs and grounds are ready. You can see clearly. Now see, in XOR gate two AB inputs are there, so we are taking these switches for the input. Over there S1 will act as A, S2 for B and S3 for the C in, and VCC ground is there and 1K register, so we don't need any register externally. Now connecting this female to male wire jumpers with, yeah, female to male jumper. You can see one side female and one side male. We are connecting this to the switch. At first the VCC we are connecting. Now the ground, this black wire, this orange wire for the switch 1, which will act as A for the full adder. This switch B for the B in the full adder. Here it's connected. Now for the C in, we are using switch 3 for the C in. Yeah, it's connected. You can see. Now we'll connect this orange wire in the XOR gate for the A and B input. We can see in the circuit. Sorry. Yeah, these two wires, switch 1 and switch 2, as the input for XOR gate A and B. Now these two will take two male to male jumper. Yeah, this first one to the number 1 pin of this AND gate, and this second one to the second pin of the AND gate. You can see here clearly. Now this output to the output means number 3 pin to the number 4 pin of second XOR gate as input, and this C in switch number 3 will connect it to pin number 5. Yeah, pin number 5. Now these two we are connecting to the input of second AND gate over there. This pin number 4 to the pin number 4 of this AND gate, and this pin number 5 to the pin number 5 of this AND gate. Yeah, it's connected. You can see clearly. Now will connect this output of the AND gate to the pin number 1 of the OR gate, and this output, second output, means pin number 6 of this AND gate to the input of the OR gate. It is connecting to pin 1, or pin 2 means 2 input, and these 2 output of the AND gate as input for the OR gate, and this is 4-bit output. You can see LED over here. Wait, yeah, it's clear now. You see, this is first pin for the ground, and second will use as the sum L1 and L2 for C out. It is connected with 1K resistor. You can see, yeah, we are connecting the ground wire, sorry, L1, ground, this red one, and L2 for the C out. Now we'll connect this ground one to the ground, sorry, L2 at the output of this OR gate, you can see there, and L1, sorry, it was connected to pin, yeah, it's connected to pin number 7, yeah, and L1 to the output of the second XOR gate. You can see over there the connection clearly. It's pin number 6, and this L2 at pin number, yeah, pin number 3 of the OR gate, and we are connecting this ground, not over there, the outside, yeah, and this is ground of the switch over there, so the ground, common ground, and this VCC over there for the common VCC. Right, yeah, it's clear now. You can see over there, and this VCC and these grounds are over there. Yeah, it's clear now. You can see. Now this battery, this negative, sorry, the positive one will act as VCC, and the negative one as the ground. The black wire, yeah, the black wire is for the ground, the red wire for the VCC. Yeah, we are connecting this red wire, sorry, yeah, and this one for the VCC. You can see it's connected now. Yeah, it's completed. You can see over there switch 1 for the A, switch 2, it's, yeah, working. You can see in the table it is B plus 0 1, it is in the sum, 0 plus 0 plus 0 1. See, these two, A and B, sorry, A plus B, you can see it's carry out over there. It's B plus C, carry out over there, and this 3 on means 1 plus 1 plus 1 3, that is 1 1. You can see both the LED will glow. Sorry, yeah, it's working. Yeah, your full adder is ready. You can see in the table up there. Thank you.